Ravi ran a small tea stall at the edge of a busy street. Every morning he'd be up before sunrise, boiling milk, crushing ginger, and preparing for the day's customers. One Monday morning, as Ravi arranged his cups, the clouds came together quickly and suddenly. A heavy storm began, soaking the street, flooding the drain, and driving away Ravi's usual customers. He stood silently, staring at his empty stall. By noon, he hadn't made a single sale. This is a disaster, he muttered. What will I eat tonight? What rent will I pay tomorrow? He sat sadly under the tarpaulin, his shoulders heavy and his head full of fear. Just then, an old man arrived, drenched but smiling. He placed his umbrella carefully and said, "One cup of tea, please." Ravi blinked. "Sir, are you not worried? The rain is ruining everything." The man laughed softly. "Rain is just a situation. Worrying about it doesn't change it. But this tea, this warmth, that can change something." Ravi served the tea silently. More people started showing up. Soaked travelers, stranded students, even a couple on a scooter looking for shelter. Ravi's warm tea and kindness became the highlight of a gloomy day. By evening, he had made more money than he usually did on sunny days. Sitting down to count his coins, Ravi remembered the old man's words. Rain is just a situation. That night, he saw the dark clouds in a new way. Not as something scary, but just a part of life. Even in heaven, if you are told to wait, you might still feel uneasy because being there doesn't fix everything. Understand this. Problems are never actually present in the moment, there are only situations. Problems are mental constructions that arise when we mentally resist situations and create fear, worry, or projections about the future or the past. Problems are created by the mind. When you look at any situation without labeling it as a problem, it just becomes a challenge or a task. The mind always wants to live in the past or worry about the future, but life is only happening now. What we considered problems are actually just situations demanding action or acceptance. Neither requires mental resistance. What is the benefit of continuously thinking about problems? Can thinking solve your problems or does it often worsen them? Try being silent for a moment, take a deep breath, and accept the present moment. You will begin to see situations clearly, and many so called problems will dissolve on their own.